presents reaction.
Since this is the year of the dog, 2018, in Chinese year, I'm looking for some paws. Fat ass white girls. Check this out. The year of the dog makes sense, 2018, right? Look for some paws. Now the only question is, ladies and gentlemen, ¿dónde? Where? Where can I find them? And who? Who? It's gonna be that lucky girl. Fat ass white girl. Fat ass. Not fat white ass. Thick white ass. Big tits. Nice hair. You wear a weave, girl, I don't give a fuck. You're white. You got fat ass. Shout out to my black chicks, my sisters. Shout out to my Spanish. Any other color, I don't give a fuck. But white girls, my paws. White girl. Texas thick. Woo. Whew. And you motherfuckers are thick, boy, and you young too. Man, listen here. I seen a white chick. I thought she was like in her 30s. That motherfucker, 18. Badass, son. Badass. So, my reaction is, woo! I'm gonna get a fat ass chick. Fat ass white girl, I should say. Same thing. Pause. Look for some pause. The year of the dog, baby. Shout out to DMX, wherever you at. The year of the dog. Chinese year, baby. Happy New Year. Konnichiwa. Nikiwa. Gerald Toaster chicken. Egg foo young. Fat ass motherfuckers. Fat ass white girls. Where you at? Looking for my paws.